Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be focusing in on Cardano ADA. We can see right now below 80 cents, actually down to 79 cents, a 52.36% decrease, all within just the last year alone. If we take a look at the last day, almost about a 1% decrease as the market has been struggling here recently. Bitcoin below 39K yet again, Ethereum down below 2.6K. A lot of problems in the crypto space. One of them is definitely, like I said, Cardano ADA. So when can we see kind of a reversal push for Cardano and what's been going on recently to see what price predictions we can get by the end of this year and next year? So we're going to jump into all of it today. If you have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on to stay up to date with all things regarding crypto, especially Cardano. So we jump into the first tweet. This one's a very, very bullish tweet, kind of talking about Cardano's token distribution and how it's nearly 90% retail, much like Bitcoin. As we see in the second chart, the distribution is going into retail hands and is growing. This trend is likely to continue. Cardano is the people's crypto. So a lot of people still very bullish on Cardano. You can actually see how the concentration between whale, investor, and retail all kind of correlates with Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum, and Algorand. As we jump into the next one, we have historical concentration with Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum, and Algorand, kind of in a nice little timeline, as you can see here. I do want to jump, though, into some bearish tweets because we have a lot of bullish info to kind of pass through today. But one of the bearish things that you guys need to kind of see is here, cryptos are us. So they actually covered why Cardano's recent TVL surge is only the beginning, and the recent TVL surge, is for many different reasons taking place. So I know this isn't the bearish article I talked about. That's actually a couple articles down, but this one specifically talks about what most also don't understand is that many Cardano dApps are waiting for the Vassal hard fork in June to launch to benefit from pipelining. So it seems we ain't seen nothing yet on TVL. This is obviously from Charles Hoskinson, the main founder of Cardano. So this is definitely huge to see the Vassal hard fork. I do expect prices to continue to climb as we get closer to that planned launch in June. Before about early May, I would say Cardano is going to be one of those coins that continues to see decreases, unfortunately, unless there are big news or the crypto market continues to surge farther up than this, typical 44K. We see it to go to 50K or 60K. Then Cardano will follow very quickly. But right now, Cardano kind of on the backs, in the back of everyone's minds, but really it's just not doing great quite yet. I think May is going to be a big month. June's going to be a big month to see if we can find that reversal and find some bullish uptrends. As we jump back over to Twitter, we do have Coins Kid coming in with Cardano. Sometimes when opportunity is staring at you in the face, people really can't see it. So this is actually a great chart. Like I said, a very bullish chart. Talks about the 2018 bear, COVID. These are both obviously bottoms for crypto and Cardano specifically. And then we have this current price point here, in 2022. So I think we are going to see a very big buying opportunity across the board for Cardano. And I think we could even see this one drop farther and give you even a better buying opportunity, like I said, before May. So definitely stay tuned and up to date with all that on Twitter and YouTube. Following me there in the description, there's going to be a Twitter link. It's going to take you over to Crypto Profit YT. Make sure to follow me there. Like I said, there is some giveaways going on right now. So the most recent giveaway is actually still going on. If we hit $25 chain link by the end of March, I will be giving away 1,000 link. That's quite a bit of link. I'm really hoping that we can hit that. It doesn't look great for the month of March. We'll continue to give you guys an opportunity at this, though, as we move forward. I do want to jump, though, over to Crypto.com. So before we jump into any more news on Cardano, the biggest thing to kind of know is how to buy Cardano, how to buy some of these cryptocurrencies. Well, one of the best out there is the world's fastest growing crypto app. It's Crypto.com. So in the description of today's video, I will have a link to Crypto.com. Join 10 million plus users buying and selling 250 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost, and you can actually spend with the Crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% back as well. Also, by the way, one of the biggest things with Crypto.com is the very, very high passive income you can earn. So grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5% on crypto assets. I'm definitely staking some USDC there, and I think a lot of you guys should take advantage of that as well. As we jump on a little bit farther forward, we do have 3 articles from fxstreet. I don't usually look at fxstreet with too much detail in mind, but Here we do have three different people talking about it on FX Street, so there's three different takes, which I kind of like to look at. Cardano price action is under continuous pressure as the 0.715 level asphyxiates bears. So a lot of people looking at this as a potential bear downtrend coming in the near future with Cardano. But there's a lot of other reasons to believe Cardano could actually go up. So Cardano price could jump 25% as proponents consider Ethereum killer the next Visa. These are, by the way, I'm just going through the titles. I'm not going to go deep diving into these articles, but we've talked about how Cardano does have a lot of potential in the past. We could see something like a 25% jump. Yes, that's possible. The rest of the crypto market would kind of have to kind of lead that charge, in my opinion, as we are going to have to wait for our Cardano's May to June potential update to move by itself in unison with the market. So let's take a quick look here. Cardano price at risk of a flash crash to 35 cents. So this is kind of crazy to see. A lot of people don't really expect something like this to happen, but it definitely could. Cardano price continues to slide lower despite record accumulation. The Friday close may create the lowest close in nearly 400 days. ADA may temporarily flash crash more than 50% before a new uptrend begins. So we're seeing a lot of movement here on Cardano, and a lot of people don't know where we're headed next. I want to talk about price predictions specifically for the end of this year, the end of next year, and potentially the end of this May-June era. So I know May-June is going to be a big couple of months, obviously, like we said and we stated before, with the Vasil hard fork. I know I might be saying that wrong, the Vasil. I've been researching quite a bit about it. It is going to be a big deal. The TVL is going to continue to reach all-time highs during this time as well. With that, I do think we are going to see more pushes closer in May and June to our previous all-time highs. And I'm not saying $3.10. I'm talking about, unfortunately, previous all-time highs in the last month. So if we take a look here, we can see $1.12, $1.15. I think that's going to be about a price point we can hope to reach by that May-June time frame. I think that's going to be something we're going to look forward to by the end of this year. There's potential for much higher prices because we do need the rest of the crypto market to kind of move with Cardano if we want to see all-time high pushes. Potentially by the end of the year, we could see $3 to $4 if we do see the market move with Cardano. Obviously, by the end of next year, not the end of this year, but the end of next year, if we are in a bull market, we do get back to a very solid bull market. We have an all-time high push by the end of this year of $3.10. We could be even looking to upsides of $6 to $10 potentially, or even more, based on the market cap we're currently at $26.6 billion. So there's a lot of excitement in the next couple of months. We'll continue to keep you guys up to date. If you have not already, like I said, make sure to follow me on Twitter, CryptoProfitYT, and then jump over to YouTube. And by the way, guys, sorry about the sound. If it's a little high or a little low, I am trying to finish a new setup at a new house. So we are trying to make sure you guys are getting the best audio and video content there is regarding crypto. So thanks again, guys, for tuning in, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.